This video will show you how to add emojis to topics and assignments in Google Classroom.
We all know how our students love to use emojis, and this might be one way of grabbing their attention and directing it to your assignments and topics in your Google Classroom. So if you go to your Google Classroom and click on the Classwork tab, you can add emojis to your topics and to your assignments. If you're on a Chromebook, you're going to have to activate the on-screen keyboard to do that. The way you do that is you go down to the bottom where your time is, your taskbar. You're going to click on the gear for settings. You're going to scroll down and click on advanced. And then scroll until you see the accessibility feature. You're going to go to where it says manage accessibility features. And you are going to toggle on the on-screen keyboard. As soon as you do that, you're going to see a little icon of an on-screen keyboard down at the bottom near your sign out button. Once you do that, you can come back to your Classwork tab and we can rename this topic. When I click in the topic name, my on-screen keyboard is going to show up and I can find an appropriate emoji that I can add to this. Since it's a Google form, maybe I want to use an image of a Chromebook or a laptop. Once I insert that, I can put it in the beginning and at the end if you want to highlight it and click rename. And it's going to put the emojis in your topic. You can do the same thing for your assignments also. If you click on the three dots and hit edit, you can put emojis in the title of your assignment, or because we do not have the feature of rich text, which is bold or underlined or changing the font color or the font type, maybe we can draw the attention of our students to the instructions by using emojis. So you can do the same thing. If you click in your instruction box, you can find an emoji that might be appropriate for them to signify watching a video. Maybe I can use a pair of glasses and it says watch the Brain Pop video on online safety. And then after watching the video, I'm asking them to click the link below to complete the Google form. So because I'm asking them to click something, I could use the emoji of a mouse. Once the form is done, I want them to click mark as done in my Google form, in my Google Classroom, which means I could find a different emoji that might signify saying mark as done. And now I have three different emojis that draws attention to the three different instructions that I have in my Google Classroom. Once I click save and I look at my assignment, I've got different emojis next to each of those lines of instruction in my assignment. This is how I would do it on a Chromebook. If I was on a PC or a laptop, I could use the icon of the Windows and the period, and a combination of these two keys will bring up a pop-up of the emoji features. If you're on a Mac, you would use your Control, Command, and Spacebar all clicked together to bring a pop-up of the emoji toolbar. And then you can use the emoji toolbar the same way that you do with the emoji tools in your Chromebook on-screen keyboard.
And that's it. Check out the other videos for more information and helpful tips.